Artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of our professional lives. This wave of change is arriving with incredible speed, and with it comes a natural current of anxiety. Many people hear AI and immediately think of job replacement, picturing a future where human roles become obsolete. Yet, a more nuanced and ultimately more hopeful truth is taking shape. The real story isn't one of replacement, but of collaboration. AI is not here to take your job. It is here to take the tedious parts of your job. AI is not here to take your job. It is here to take the repetitive parts of your job. AI is not here to take your job. It is here to take the soul-crushing parts of your job. This shift opens up new opportunities for human ingenuity. This shift opens up new opportunities for creativity. This shift opens up new opportunities for connection to flourish in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The fundamental goal is not a contest, but a partnership. The most productive conversations about AI move beyond the simple fear of obsolescence. That is really the point. To navigate this new world, we must first understand a critical distinction. It is the difference between automation and augmentation. These two concepts are central to how AI will integrate into our work. Automation is when a machine performs a task entirely on its own, without direct human involvement. Think of a factory robot assembling a car part, or an algorithm that automatically sorts your email into different folders. The primary benefit of automation is efficiency. It saves time. It reduces errors on routine jobs. It allows processes to run continuously, freeing human workers from monotonous labor. It is about delegation. Augmentation, on the other hand, is when a machine helps a person perform a task better, faster, with more insight. It doesn't replace the human, it enhances their abilities. A doctor using an AI tool to analyze a medical scan for signs of disease is an example of augmentation. The AI can spot patterns invisible to the human eye. Consider the customer service industry. Many of us have interacted with a chatbot to ask a simple question, checking an order status, resetting a password. This is automation at work, providing instant, 24/7 support for common queries. This efficiency is a massive benefit. However, when a customer has a complex, emotionally charged problem, they need a human. In this scenario, AI shifts to an augmentation role. The system can instantly provide the customer's complete history, summarize the issue, suggest potential solutions, all in real time. The result is a more empowered agent and a better customer experience. Next, turn your attention to the world of marketing. Here, AI automates the heavy lifting, sifting through consumer behavior, identifying emerging trends, segmenting audiences. This is automation for data analysis. But the process doesn't end there. Marketers use AI-generated insights to augment their creativity. AI tools can help brainstorm headlines, generate draft images, A/B test campaign elements at scale. The human marketer still guides the strategy, infuses the brand's unique voice, makes the final creative choices. Now think about logistics and supply chain management. In a modern warehouse, robots may autonomously move pallets and sort packages. Automation of physical labor. As AI becomes more integrated into our work, the role of human resources teams becomes more critical than ever before. Their focus must shift from traditional administrative functions to strategic workforce architecture. The first and most urgent task is reskilling and upskilling. HR must lead the charge in identifying the skills that will be most valuable in a human-AI collaborative environment. Digital literacy, data analysis, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, complex communication. Proactive training programs are not a luxury. They are an absolute necessity for a smooth and equitable transition. Beyond training, HR must become the ethical steward of AI in the workplace. Artificial intelligence learns from the data it is given. If that data contains historical biases, the AI will perpetuate and even amplify them. HR has a moral and legal obligation to audit these systems rigorously. checking for fairness in AI-powered hiring tools, ensuring performance algorithms are transparent and equitable, establishing clear governance protocols. HR must champion an ethics by design approach, embed human values into systems from the start. HR designs and manages new human-AI team dynamics, create clear guidelines defining roles and responsibilities, when to trust an AI's recommendation, when to override it with human judgment, and foster psychological safety. Encourage questioning and reporting without fear, facilitate frontline feedback to refine collaboration, build trust between people and tools. Ultimately, the future of work is a story about humanity, not technology. AI will handle more tasks. Humans provide guidance, purpose, and oversight. Empathy, ethical reasoning, creative spark, the ability to dream of a better future. These are not being replaced, they are being elevated. AI provides speed and scale. We provide the direction. We hold the compass.